Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to our video. Today we are going to discuss to you our midterms project or yung mobile app na ginawa naming magpartner. So I'm Daniel Shanko together with Miss Kyla Soriano. So let's start. So name ng app namin is Attendees. So Attendees is an app that works as an attendance for the teachers to use na syempre may student details din siya. So, if you click start or click mo yung app namin, dito siya mag-automatically navigate sa login page. So, kapag wala ka pang account, we just need to click register. So, keep in mind na yung username natin is dapat may @gmail.com. Okay? And then, para makita natin kung anong kailangan dito sa password is kailangan siya ng 8 characters or up, 1 capital and no special characters. Okay, so let's make an account first. Okay, so after doing that, make sure na dapat tama yung ilalagin na account natin para hindi mangyari sa ito. Ayan, core credentials attempts left. So meron siyang time ban. Okay, time ban yan. Okay, after logging in, will automatically show login successful and then welcome to our dashboard or main page. So pag clinic natin tong add student, okay, so this page will add a student. Okay, so yan, Daniel, and then CP, another one, CP ulit, lastly, so after doing that, we need just click back and then let's move on or let's proceed to the view attendance. So this view attendance is para makapag-attendance ng user natin. So kapag clinic mo yan, pupunta yan dito sa course list, sa menu list natin or something like that. Meron siyang searchable para kapag sobrang dami na ng list dyan, hindi siya pa scroll. Okay, so it's working guys. Ayan, working yan. And then click natin yung CP, present natin tong si Daniel, and then absent natin si Shanko. Okay, mark as absent, mark as present. And then ICT, absent natin si Soriano. Ayan. So, okay, back tayo ulit and then let's proceed to our view history. So itong view history, it works as an archive. So para siyang, from the word itself, history. So makita natin dyan yung mga history or yung attendance mismo. Okay, attendance for today or yesterday or something like that. So let's click and then course list again, syempre para hindi siya magsama-sama or magsuntukan yung di ba? And then CP, click natin yung CP. Ayan, Daniel present and then Shanko is absent. So as you can see, meron akong nilagay na drop down menu. Ayan, para something drop down menu. So ito is naglilist down yung mga history or mga dates na kung saan ginamit natin yung app na para mag-attendance, of course. And then meron din tayong function na export to PDF. So yan, export to PDF. So matatagpuan yan dun sa Android data and then file namin na sample.attendees. Yan, and then check natin ICT and Soriano is absent, so it's the same. Okay, so keep in mind na yung export PDF varies for hindi siya parang hindi siya all around sa section. So per section, kunyari may mga EL, IA, iba-iba yung in-export PDF, hindi siya magsasama. Okay, so thank you. So that concludes our mobile application. Thank you for watching and see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.